Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how you can download Power BI and how you can access to the course book for this section of the course. And just first, let me show where you can find the ZY book code. And first go to Home tab, or Modules tab is much better. Click on the Modules tab and you will see that course book certification under Getting Started module. Click on this. And for this course, for weeks 12, 13, 14, and 15, which we are in week 12 now, we will be utilizing the online textbook Introduction to Power BI. And you need to purchase to access this book, and you will follow the steps, okay? And the cost for semester access is $40. And all of the assignments for weeks 12, 13, 14, and 15 will be completed on the textbook's online site. I will just update your grades, assignment grades manually after you complete every week. And one important point is that if you complete the 75% of all the activities from this book, you will get a certification of Power BI. So let's see how we can get to ZY book. And first you need to copy this learn.zybooks.com and open a browser. I've already done. And the system is asking you to create an account. First you need to create an account, then you're going to sign in. And I have already created an account. So I'm going to just type in my student account. This is not an instructor account. And here I'm going to sign in first. After I sign in, here you see we need to copy paste from the course web page the ZY book here, this one. And let's do that. Copy and then paste it back here. And now it's searching and it says view ZY book. And you see you need to pay $40 for school term, which it's just enough because the subscription is valid until May 30th, which is good amount of time for you to complete everything, even if you're looking for a certificate and complete all the modules in this textbook. Okay, so once you have completed for this first week, you need to get into Getting Started and Visualizations and Reports modules, and you need to finish all the assignments here. Let me show you how the assignments look like. When you get into ZY book, you will see that here, let's start from the beginning, Getting Started. And you can start with the welcome. As you realize, when you read through the book, you can either read or watch the videos. You don't need to do both because the parts that you read is exactly explained in the videos. So you can start with Introduction to Power BI video. And if you want to continue the next session, it's here. Introducing Microsoft Power BI. Again, you can watch the video or you can read it. And you will realize that if you scroll down, there is one participation activity, which is a required activity. Remember, all participation activities and challenge activities for both chapters are graded and you have to complete them. So you're going to complete the participation activity and continue. Again, you are going to watch or read the content and then you will scroll down and you will find out there's another participation activity. You complete that one too. And then you continue with 1.4, the data process chain. Again, either you watch the video and also make sure when you watch the video, there are several options you can do. You can have in high speed and you can take a look at what is inside, or you prefer to read, you can read it. Again, there's participation activity and 1.5 the same. You can watch or read the content. And for replicating the charts in the video, you need to download the files that are under the videos, okay? So here again, you should have one participation activity. And once you complete, you're done with chapter 1, then you will continue with the chapter 2. Here we start building our visualizations and reports. And again, you can watch the video and the resources under it. Please make sure you download these files if you want to replicate what the instructor is talking about. And when you scroll down, you can find a participation activity again, okay? And 2.2, tools for developing reports. Again, you can watch. I definitely suggest you to watch the revised visualization pane. Why? Because these videos are made by Microsoft Power BI 2021 edition, but Power BI is updated every month. And for that reason, the revised visualization pane can help you to understand where you can find the visualization pane in the new version. And again, when you scroll down, you can find lots of helpful information of when to use, what type of chart, And at the end, you will find another participation activity. And here, as you see, there is a challenge activity. All challenge activities are required for this course. So therefore, you're going to follow the instructions on how to complete the challenge activity. Sometimes you may need to use the Power BI, upload the data, and find the answer by creating the visuals to find the answer, okay? Just be ready for that. And again, here, 2.3, card section, Introduction to Power BI video. You can watch it. High speed is an option, or you can read through it. It's up to you. There is one participation activity, and also there's one challenge activity. In challenge activity, you see it says download stuff and Power BI file. You're going to use the data and find out total number of units currently in stock. And there are 2 questions and so on. So there you need to complete all the sections, which has until 8. And that's all for this week. So make sure it takes time, right? Watching the video, completing the assignments. And Power BI is usually doesn't need any coding. So this is a big advantage for you guys. If you feel much more comfortable without coding, it's like kind of Excel type of program. You need to drag and click on the tabs to find out how to do it. So I hope you will enjoy that. And the next thing is I'm going to show you how you can download the desktop version of the Power BI. You can use the cloud version. And both are free through the school email, right? You can click on here and you can find out Power BI is already here, right? When you see this square here, square dots, click on Power BI. It's already a cloud version. Don't forget, this is a cloud version. So you can work through this, but the instructor in the videos on the textbook using a desktop version. So you can download here. You see the arrow here. You can click on it and you can download Power BI desktop and then follow the prompts. It's very easy to download. You just need to follow the prompts to download and make sure to you log in. You log in with your school email to get free access and click on get, and then it's going to start downloading. After downloading, you need to extract the files and follow the prompts, and you log in with your school email. Again, I'm repeating school email. It's free to you. Then you can use the Power BI for your assignments. Okay. And that's it for the class. And make sure that if you have any questions, contact me, especially for downloading the Power BI. You can use the cloud version, but my suggestion is download the desktop version. It's going to be much easier to follow the instructor's examples in the videos. Okay? And let me know if you have any questions.